This is your year to be a Thanksgiving hero, and it all starts with these 3 easy tips for perfecting your turkey. First up, don't baste your bird. Basting makes little to no difference in retaining moisture. What basting does do, it adds cooking time and hands-on work. It also keeps the skin from drying, browning, and crisping. Instead, stick to salting or brining. These hands-off approaches retain moisture and season the bird. Next up, make sure you salt under the skin of your turkey. Salt tenderizes the meat, retains moisture, and enhances flavor. But you need to get it under the skin in order to allow it to contact the meat. So gently loosen the skin on the bottom 2/3 of the turkey breast and legs to access the meat. Then turn the turkey around to loosen the skin on the top third of the bird. And remember to season the inside of the turkey as well. This ensures that it's fully seasoned. Then refrigerate it for at least 24 hours. And finally, if there's no neck, just wing it. Turkey necks are fabulous flavor boosters for turkey gravy, but not every turkey comes with a neck. Fear not, your turkey will come with wings and they work just as well. Just use kitchen shears to snip the wing at the joint, leaving the other half of the wing on the bird for nice appearance. Your winged turkey gravy will taste even better.